Victims of land grabbers and speculators took to the streets of Benin City, the Edo State capital in Nigeria, on August 9, 2021, to complain and draw the government's attention to the unwholesome activities of the land grabbers. The protesters, who seemed to have had enough of this evil, was undeterred by the heavy downpour as they continued to clamor for justice and fairness. They envision that if these land grabbers are not checkmate, it will in no small measure hinder development in the state and, most importantly, scare investors away. Now, one may be wondering, who are land grabbers and what do they do? A land grabber is a person or institutions that get possession of properties illegally, unfairly, and fraudulently. In a more relatable example, these persons are in the habit of selling and reselling lands to two or more persons. Almost every individual or family in Edo State has in one way or the other encountered this unscrupulous element who has dealt with their victims inhumanly without pity or empathy.
The movement of the people to say Kabudo rejectamenta, to land grabbing, to extortion, to intimidation, to man humanity to man, exhibited by some unscrupulous elements, some chief priests that is supposed to be presiding over the affairs of Odudu, some Okayeles, some Eniges, and some Enoges. It is so sad that people can no longer come to Edo State to purchase land, to develop Edo State. They prefer to travel to Asaba, to Ikorodu in Lagos State to buy land than to buy plot of land in Edo State. It is just as if these people have impunity. It is just as if these people are above the law, and of which there is nobody that is above the law, because of the series of agitation from different people who are victims of land grabbers. We evaporated from our cocoons to government as this morning with immediate effect and alacrity to say no to land grabbing.
With a protest today against land grabber for Edo, when they hinder development, when they make our people they suffer. Imagine some person go buy land, before you know another person go sell land. They go tell you say nothing they happen. And this one now they hinder development for Edo. And this thing, it not good for here. It's not good. That's why we they call on the government to implement the PP law, so that the law will begin to catch up on the people when they're responsible for the backwardness that we experience with Edo. Now with the crash, oh, no good road. There are people in the rural community that's actually selling this land. One thing that they do with the money, that's not our problem. Our concern be say, make them stop land grabbing. People, when they buy land, make them see their land.
Without mixing words, high-ranking government officials, community heads, traditional rulers like the Ohens, Enoges, chief priest, and the Okageles, whom the government and His Royal Majesty Oba Eware II, jointly banned of recent, are in the forefront and major perpetrators of the unhealthy land grabbing activities, a tool in which they use in enriching themselves.
As a developer, I bought 50 by 100 from one man at Egbire, 2015. Before I go again, they don't fence 1 by 2 inside. Now I go there, as they take fencing, I go right there, because Oba, who I say, that juju when it's been come out, he said, may they not sell land twice. Now I go point out, Oba, why? No trespass. As they say, come today, come tomorrow. My police extract everything when they beat me, all of the day with me. But they not the ask for that place. Now come carry and go AIG office. Now AIG office, they say they want to go invite them. Or they call them. As we reach that place, for their present, they beat me. Now you beat me, I go to say treatment. Blood can't come out from my ear.
Recently, the House of Assembly passed the PPP law. That's the law against land grabbing in those states. So as a civil society organization, so we are here today to protest, to voice out our voice in support of the government, so that they can implement on the law, on the asset of the law, so that they can implement the law the PPP law so that some persons can be used for an example. But if you go to a various community in Edo State, you see different petitions of land grabbing. Before me now, it's about 150 petitions from individuals, from Olo Okoromi alone, talking of other communities. Ohen, Okagele, and others are not above the law, so the law should take their course.
Anona omi men wina lele egbire ya na rie ne omi men na abonona ya mie ya gogo nona okwado mi gogo ime o ma mi ni wi ya o wagume no ya o ewi to ike o ime ra o ime jo ime to upopo aje ni kebo wana o.
Glory Irubo reporting for Pinnacle TV News.